Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars. One with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, today in the afternoon, I've already solved 3 puzzles. So, average every day 7 puzzles. So, it's a lot. It's a lot. Alright. The first one, number 8462, is a 3 stars puzzle. But this 3 stars puzzle is really not a 3 stars, because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 30. Should be an easy one, 5 digits more than usual. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Should be a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have here. Let me see. Yeah. All right. I need to think. I need to think. I need the 8 here. 3 and 7. Okay. How about the number? The number. You have 8 there. Okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only place level 3 should be there. Alright. No. 1. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. Need 8 here. Need a 6 there. And I need a 5 here. Alright. 4 and need a 4. 8. Okay. 7. In this column, we need a 7. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 1 now for the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, now. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 1, 2. Well, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 Oh, three of those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9. We have 1, 2, and a 9 in this row, so no 1, 2, and a 9 in these two boxes. 1, 2, and a 9 goes in those three boxes. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1 and 1, 1. Need 1 here. Need 1 there. Okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 5. Need a 9 here. 2, 9. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 5. Okay. Right. And now. Let me think. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Should be one of these 2 boxes. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 2, 2, 2. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 5 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. We have a pair now. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 5. We have 4 missing numbers. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a pair now. The 5 and the 1 in this row. The 5 in one of those 2 boxes and the 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 1, 5 and the 1. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then need a 6, need a 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. Alright. 6, 6. 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. I need a 2 here also. 2 and the 8 are missing here. 2 and 8. Yeah. 3 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. And now, need a 5 here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And I need a 5 here. Okay. 2, 2. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 here. And I need an 8 there. And I need an 8 here. Will be difficult. 9. 4, 7, 8. 8, 8. 4, 7, 8. Here can be 7. 7, 7, 4, and 5. 7, 4, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column. No 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. Need an 8 here also. And now, 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. 6, 5. About here. 2 and the 8 are missing here. 2 and 8. 7, 7, 7, 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 5. Need a 4 here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. So 4 and the 9 are left. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those. Here I need a 9. No, 4, 9, and I need a 3 here. Okay, here 3 and the 9 are missing here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 or 9, we have a 9 now. So this box should be a 4. 4 and 9 in this column. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 9. 4 and 9 in the first row. We have a 9 in the first row, so this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this row. The 4 and 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6, okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next on that column. The only place level 2 should be there. I've marked this box with 1, 2, 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so this box should be a 1. So the other two numbers should be the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. Alright. 2 and a 9. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1. The 2 is missing here. Well, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes in there. 2 or 9. We have a 2 in this big square. So this box should be a 9. 2 or 9 in the third column. We have a 9 in the third column. So this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 16 minutes. Well, not the 0 stars. Well. At 30 pretty digits took me a little bit more time to solve. Not the 3 stars. Should be at 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, but we solve it again. And I like this one. So we do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.